Hello, my dear Capricorns. This is your 2021 reading. So, let us look into energetically what 2021 has in store for you. I pray to my spirit guides and my angels to bless you guys tremendously as you begin this year. All right. So, Capricorns, your dreams need a practical plan. I think this is very much in your domain, Capricorn, because this is like, whatever it is that you're working towards, this is your relationships, this is your life, this is your career, whatever dreams that you may have. You need to sit down and write down how you plan on achieving it. Because sometimes what happens is, if our dreams, we have so many of them and we don't back it with practical action, our life suffers. Okay, so don't let that happen. Make sure whatever you want to achieve for yourself, plan it really, really well. Yeah, hold your vision, again very similar. Whatever it is that you want to achieve this year, Capricorn, you need to sort of have it firmly on your vision. You cannot afford to change your mind time and again. Of course, personally, I believe having a vision board really, really helps. Okay, make sure you don't change your focus time and again, Capricorn. Okay, just be little mindful of that because that has been your message. Now you have three, and I'm just going to take all of them. It's time to take action. Okay, so basically, after having planned everything, after having like a specific vision for your life, what is important is to take action towards it. Don't back down. Yeah, and confidence is the key to success for you guys. Okay, so after you hold a vision for yourself, make sure to have confidence in your abilities because that is very important. And the last one that fell out for you was you and your loved ones are safe. I believe that's a very, very promising message, especially during the unsure times that we are going through. Okay, either way, lots for you right at the beginning energetically. Okay, so make sure you have a vision, you take action, and have confidence in your own abilities because that is very, very important for you and your life, Capricorn. All right, we'll take your tarot cards to see what's coming up for you. Okay, my dear Capris, it's very important for you this year to change your perspective slightly. So, what I sense is, there's going to be a little bit of a pause before action begins again. And why is this pause? It's a pause to consider what you've done so far. How things have worked out. If things have worked out for you, have they not worked out? What have you contributed towards your dreams? What is your contribution towards your life? You need to take into account all of these things. For example, when it comes to your career, what have your previous actions led you to? What have you accomplished? Could you have done something different? Could the outcome have been different? You need to consider and reconsider that. And sometimes changing a perspective can help you change your life is what is coming up for you. All right, that's very important for you, changing your mindset. Yeah, clarity. You guys need clarity. Your dreams need a practical plan. Hold your vision. Okay, so clarity is what you guys need. But what I also sense is, you're gonna have a lot of new ideas for your life. There are a lot of new things you want to do. You're very, very in control of your life is what I see this year. Okay, so whatever newness is coming into your life, work on it 100% because the new ideas will actually take you really, really forward in life, and especially the new ideas that you get after you've considered and reconsidered things is what is coming forth for you. New career is also possible for a couple of you. Creatively, you're going to be very inclined. So maybe for a couple of you, you may be inclined to take up a new hobby. You may want to change your workplace. You want to change your surroundings. You want to start painting, start pottery. But I see you getting creative. So maybe the new ideas, you may sort of do the old things in a different way. Okay, that is also coming through for you, Capricorns. Now, what is happening for you, Capricorn, this year? A lot of people may not agree with your point of view, or you may not agree with a lot of people's point of view. But for you, important is to have confidence in yourself. Okay, so even if people don't agree with you, Capricorn, it is important that you are clear about what you want and you are clear about how you want to achieve it. But there is a possibility of a little bit of a tiff situation for you with certain people. Okay, just be mindful of it. Magician, you have the capacity of manifesting anything and everything in your life. It's a very powerful year for you, Capricorn. Okay, so you have the tools. You guys are Capricorns. You guys are brilliant at what you do. You are stable, you're dependable. When you focus on something, you focus on it 100%. So you have the power of manifestation. You can do whatever it is that you bring to your mind. Okay, hold your vision. That's very, very important for you. Get into the manifestation. See, you have abundance as well. So this year it's going to be a fulfilling year for you, is what I see, Capricorn. Whatever dreams you want to achieve, you are going to end up achieving them. Okay, I also see you becoming the best version of yourself this year. Okay, and see, anytime a person is changing their life, you always have people who don't agree with them. It's okay, not everybody needs to agree with your choices in life. Okay, I also see money wise things are going to be really, really good for you. I see you taking care of yourself. I see you really putting attention towards your hobbies, towards your life, towards self-care. It's the best of both worlds for you. That's what I see for you. It's going to be a very, very good year, Capricorn. Yeah, let's look into what's more. Assessing. Okay, you are taking a step back, which is again the message of the Hanged Man. You're taking a step back, looking at your life and really seeing where you went wrong, what you could have done better, and as a result you're gaining clarity. Again, with the creation, you're going to create something new. You're going to create an entirely new life for you, is what I see, because the previous you is fading in the background. The previous choices you made, you're going to change that as well. It's like a new life is beginning for you this year, one in which you are the hero or the heroine of your life. That's what's happening. Growth, abundance, very much the message of the Empress. It's going to be a tremendously fulfilling year for you. Money wise, it looks really good, but you're going to grow as a person. As a person, I see this year as one with tremendous potential for you. Why? You're asking yourself why. Before you start anything, you're asking yourself why. What is the reason that you're doing that? Okay, so you're really learning to understand yourself. You're learning why certain things happened in your life, with the assessing thing as well. So once the whys are clear, you get an idea about how to proceed. Okay, so ask yourself why multiple times. Yeah, Capricorn. Fates, it's fated. It's a fated year for you, and fates are smiling on you. You're becoming the best version of yourself, Capricorn. It's going to be a brilliant year for you. I can just sense it. Let's just look into what you need to surrender this year. Surrender to what is. Yes, you are surrendering what is, and you're looking at what can be. What can be. The future can be so much magnificent. Okay, I see you guys changing a lot. You're not fighting yourself, you're not fighting life. You're ready to embrace whatever comes your way, but you're also making this happen for yourself. So whatever situations were in your life in 2020, you're ready to put it behind, and you're becoming the best version of you. That's what I see 2021 to be like for you, Capricorns. It's a brilliant year. I can sense it. You're growing like never before. You're becoming the best version of yourself, and it's fated. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna leave you with. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.